Hello. Today we will be managing a password in Azure Key Vault. And so to get started, we first need to create the Key Vault. So we can come over here and click Create a Resource in the Azure window, the Azure portal. So we click Create a Resource, and then in the search bar, we can search for Key Vault. And as we can see, it pops up. And then here we can click Create. And then it'll bring us to this create a key vault window, and we can add this to this resource group because I am currently going through a tutorial on stuff like this. I'm currently going through a learning type of thing, so that's that resource group is already created for me, but you'll be able to put that in whatever resource group you're in, and then we can add a key vault name. So we will name this my key vault -lm3, and that's just oh, that one's in use. Let's try different numbers. LD3 or something. There we go, that works. Alright, and then we can leave the rest of these as is, and then we can click review plus create, and then it will, and then now we can click create because it just needed to validate itself. And then now we have created it, and it will start to deploy it, and we will wait for this to finish deploying. Alright, now that it's done deploying, I can click go to resource. And as we can see, our key vault has been created. And so now the next step is we need to add a password to the key vault. So first thing we need to do is we need to go to the settings we can see right here, and we'll click on secrets, and then now it will see that there are no secrets available, and so we will click generate/import, and we will make a secret or a password. And so we can name this my password, and then we can enter the value, which is the password. And so we have a password to use, and so I type the password in there. And then now that I have typed in the password, I will click create. And so now I need to show the password. So I will select my password, and then I will click on this again. And then now I have an option to show secret value, and I will be able to see the password right here. And so that's good that we can see the password from the key vault, but now we need to access the password from Azure Cloud Shell. So over here in the exercise that I have a window for Azure Cloud Shell. And so now I'm going to copy and paste the command that you see here, except instead of this NNN, I will replace it with the name of my key vault. And so I have this over here, so I will paste this and run it, and it'll give us our key vault value, which is that. And if we go back here, we can see it's the same value, and we just grab that from the Cloud Shell. And so that is how you manage a password in Azure Key Vault.